Hello and welcome to the next lesson on formulas in Excel. In the last lesson, we discussed how you can write a formula in Excel such as equal to 2 plus 3. Notice that the formula starts with an equal to sign. Also, the cell displays the output of the formula, which is 5, and the actual formula is visible in the formula bar at the top. Now, while writing formulas, you can also reference other cells. For example, if I have the value 2 in cell B4 and the value 3 in cell C4, I can write a formula as follows: equal to B4 plus C4. Notice here that B4 is the address of this cell which contains the value 2, and C4 is the address of this cell which contains the value 3. And when you hit enter, you can see that the formula gives you the output of the calculation. If you select the cell, you can notice in the formula bar that our formula has referenced two cells, B4 and C4. If you change the value of any of these cells, the output of the formula also changes. Being able to link cells like this is an extremely useful functionality in Excel. Let's look at some examples. In this example, we will use Excel formulas to calculate the volume of a cuboid. These cells contain the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid. Let's write a formula in the cell to calculate the volume of this cuboid. Equal to C4 multiplied by C5 multiplied by C6. Notice that while writing the formula, we just clicked on the cell that we wanted to reference, and its address got inserted in the formula automatically. Now you can change any of these dimensions and the volume of the cuboid will get updated automatically. Let's look at another example. In this example, we will use Excel formulas to calculate the simple interest on a loan. These cells contain the loan amount, loan duration, and the interest rate. Let's write a formula in this cell to calculate the simple interest. Once again, I will start with the equal to sign. Equal to C4 multiplied by C5 multiplied by C6. Notice that to reference a cell, you can either click on the cell and the address of the cell will automatically get inserted in the formula, or you can just type out the address directly and you can see what is the interest on a loan for a given duration at a given interest rate. So that's how you can write formulas in Excel that reference other cells. In our examples, we referenced cells which were in the same worksheet. However, it is possible to reference cells which are on a different worksheet in the same Excel workbook. And in fact, you can also reference cells which are in a completely different Excel workbook. Refer to the exercises provided as part of this lesson to learn how to reference cells in a different worksheet or in a different Excel. We will continue our discussion on formulas that reference other cells in the next lesson. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.